Sure, hello students. Once again, very good morning. Wish you very happy good morning. Now, today we are ready for the very best session and very big important session for everyone. Today we are going to be talk about the previous part which one have discussed, those after which one left those here. Actually, you looking proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, equivalent fraction, and reciprocal fraction. There are types of the fractions given. In the part first, before this one part, we have a study about the proper fraction. Today we are going to be a study about the improper fraction. To improper fraction also we have studied in the previous part. Today we are going to be talking about the mixed fraction, the most important part. Okay, in the previous sector we have a study about the proper, we have studied about the improper fraction. Now basic target of this term is we are going to be talk about the mixed fraction. Try to understand my feeling. How can we talk about the mixed fraction? Firstly, deeply understand everything before starting the any questions, because questions you can easily understand whatever you understand your given terms and the conditions which you have given, right? So this is a most important topic of understanding everything. Let's understand mixed fraction. Here saying a fraction, once again give me a fraction combined with a whole number. Okay, a fraction combined, okay, combined with whole numbers. Okay, a fraction combined with whole numbers. Okay, part a fractional number, part a fractional part of fractional. All right, here side saying is called the mixed fraction, is called the mixed fraction. All right beta, mixed fraction, mixed fraction. Okay, this is the basic terms of understanding. We are going to be talking about example side. Okay, whenever it's using with the whole number, 1 whole 7 upon 16, this is very understanding topic. Whenever in the list of numerator and denominator we will include the whole number, then it will be known as the mixed fraction. For example, 1 whole 7 upon 16, another any number, right? 2 whole 9 upon 4, and here's any one 3 whole 4 upon 11, etc. Whatever you use, understand, whenever you this number you looking on your screen, just a minute, give me, looking on your screen, this one have here given. So this one is called the whole number. Yes or no? Whole number. Understood? Whole number. Whenever we use whole number include in the denominator and numerator, then it known as the mixed fraction. For example, 1 whole, how reading this, how read this one, 1 whole 7 over 16, read 1 7 16. Most students give the mistake to reading this. How to read this? Understand, 1 whole, this kind you can easily speak 1 whole, then save 1 whole, this after this coming 1 whole 7 over 1 whole 7 over, okay, 16, very simple. Understood? 1 whole 7 over 16, 1 whole 7 over 16. First you start from 1 whole 7 over 16, this kind, simple. Okay, easily. So you note down this thing. Then we are going for the next session for the equivalent fraction. All right, hope you very well understand. Very simple task, have not any difficulties in the terms and conditions, have you need to be apply well, very well. All right, just a minute only give to me. All right, so we are going for the next terms, is called equivalent fraction. Okay, so let's see. Equivalent fraction, understand how we can play the our best role in the equivalent fraction. This thing understand here. Equivalent fraction can be defined as a fraction with a different numerator and denominator. Okay, so directly write equivalent fraction can be defined into equivalent fraction can be defined into fraction with different fractions with different denominator. Different numerator and denominator even can speak. Numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator that represent the same value, that represent the same values, that represent the same values or proportion of the whole. Same values or proportion of the, understand, proportion of the value. Very simple task. Of the values place of the whole have here given, just only understanding the mean. Example, understand house can be delivered, this thing, understand 3 over, this telling you house came 6 over 10 and then it will be this kind 50. Understand, equivalent fraction can be defined into the fraction with the different numerator and different denominator that represent the same value or proportion of the whole. Same misunderstanding how? Listen, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, multiply by 2. Matter clear? 3 2 ja 6 and 6 5 ja multiply by 5 times. This same apply here side come. 5 multiply by 2, 5 2 ja 10 and here side come, then 5 10 5 ja 50. Understand house? 3 2 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30, 5 2 ja 10, 10 5 ja 50. Understand, that same content come, same thing come, just need to be understand only. Here saying not different numerator, different denominator, but which represent a value of proportion, those same come in the whole. Here same coming, 3 multiplied by 2, then 6 came, then also 5 multiplied by 2, then 10 came, 6 multiplied by 10, then 30 came, 10 multiplied by 5, then 50 came. Matter clear have, sir? Very simple have. This kind anywhere come, then you usually understand this is a representation use have. Yes or no? Whole you understand, very good. Now we are going for the last thing. It's called reciprocal fraction. Just a minute only, give to me. Only minute to be understand next. Very good. So students, one basic things I'm telling you. Just a minute only. If you will continue do any work of any point, then you can get it the everything very much cool. Last is reciprocal fraction. Let's understand what is reciprocal fraction. In the numerator and the denominator of fraction, I think I need to fill in ink firstly. Just a minute only. It's over. No, using. And everyone in that time, you everyone note down. If you're not written, then I'm side have. Ink filling. And continue practice beta. Practice you makes well perfect. Whenever I try to give my something good best, then first of all thing I understand if I need to give my best, so I need to try something best. Yes or no? Then I can deliver. Alright. Here saying in numerator and denominator. In numerator and denominator, in numerator and denominator of a fraction are of a fraction are, okay, in numerator and denominator of a fraction are interchange to each other, interchange to each other, okay, interchange to each other, then the new fraction, okay, is, then the new fraction is, okay, called a reciprocal, reciprocal, okay, reciprocal fraction. All right, example here giving a student, those understand. Example, what is have, like any number, right? 4/5 is converted into 5/4. Now come understand, etc. right? No need to etc. right? Here understand how can be delivery give. In a numerator and denominator of a fraction are interchange means understanding, like 2/3 given, so it go here, it come here, so here become 3/2. This is called interchanging. This process is called interchange. Okay, interchange have. So this is understanding mean have, interchanging means this kind be coming here, okay. Then understand interchange to each other means like a 2/3 have to 3/2 came to the new fraction. This is called the new fraction, called the reciprocal fraction. This fraction, new fraction, which one called, those is called reciprocal. One second, reciprocal fraction, very simple have. All right, reciprocal fraction. Try to understand whenever we will find any new fraction by any given fraction, so those fraction interchanging each other, they known as the name of reciprocal fraction. Understand, reciprocal means same have numerator, same denominator, but interchanging their place only. Yes or no? Those new interchanges fraction came, those is known as the reciprocal fraction. Matter clear? Hope you understand. Very good. So student, thank you so much to joining the best and unbelievable terms and the conditions of the joining group, and I'm very excited, I'm very happy just because I'm attending the session, and you are also very excitement, and you can be do everything whatever you like to do. Alright, thank you so much students to joining the best session by MAB Academy Eklavya batch of NAVODAYA mathematics session. Best of luck, be happy, and enlight your parents name, enlight our academy name, enlight our institution name. So best of luck. Jai Hind.